Namaskar. Nowadays, in the fast pace of modern life, your liver quietly takes all the burden of toxins, stress, processed food, and synthetic chemicals. Your liver is one of the most hardworking organ of your body. Every day, without excuse or rest, it quietly filters your blood, breaks down toxins, and keeps your digestion and metabolism in check. It is the body's silent warrior, filtering, cleansing, and protecting. But if the liver gets overloaded, it can cause problems like low energy level, fatigue, unexpected weight gain, various digestive problems such as bloating, gas. The liver produces bile, which aids in digestion, and any disruption in the functioning can cause digestive problems. Skin issues like acne, eczema, and skin rashes. Such problems occur. Liver eliminates toxins from the body, and when it's overwhelmed, these toxins may get filled with alternate routes, including through the skin. Frequently headaches, hormonal imbalance, mood swings, and irritability. Can you see how important the liver is and how much it affects you? So today let's talk about how you can cleanse toxins from liver and liver health with one herb. Yes, one herb for 7 days can help you cleanse the liver. That herb is also known as andrographic pedicellata. Kalmegh is a plant which is also known as green chiraita and the king of bitter. It is used for various medicinal purposes and it's bitter in taste. In Ayurveda, Kalmegh is also known to be a blood purifier, liver stimulant, and immunity booster. Its liver protecting property comes from kapha and pitta balancing nature. It's mainly used for liver problems as it protects liver against damage caused by free radicals due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity. Even scientific studies have revealed Kalmegh has anti-inflammatory property. Now let's see 3 methods to use Kalmegh for liver cleansing. Remember, Kalmegh is most effective when taken with empty stomach before your first meal. The first method is to take Kalmegh juice. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons of Kalmegh juice, mix it with 1 glass of water and take it once a day before your meal. Second, the next method to take this herb is, what you have to do is take 5 to 10 Kalmegh leaves, crush it with 3-4 black peppercorns. This particular method is more useful for ladies who suffer from period cramps and problems. The third method is Kalmegh Kwath. For this remedy, you must take half to 1 teaspoon of Kalmegh powder. Add 2 cups of water and boil till the quantity remains half a cup. This is Kalmegh Kwath. Take 3-4 ml of Kalmegh Kwath. Add the same quantity of water and drink after lunch and after dinner. Use this remedy for 1 to 2 months for better results. Now let's understand what this Kalmegh, if taken for 7 days, what happens to you. Kalmegh gently stimulates bile flow, detoxify liver, balances pitta, and strengthens agni in your digestive fire. So in just 7 days, Kalmegh will make you feel lighter, more energetic, very clear in your thought, more connected to your body's rhythm. But don't stop with the herb. Make it a habit to support your liver. Eat simple meals which do not have chemicals, preservatives, or excessive sugar. Limit packaged oil and refined sugar. This stresses liver more than even alcohol. Better eat whole grain, home cooked food, which is much healthier than any outside food. Cut the late night meals. Eating late forces your liver working when it is supposed to rest. Try to finish dinner by 7:30 late. Get adequate sleep. Minimize exposure to the environmental toxins. Drink warm water. Cold water slows digestion. And sip warm water throughout the day to flush toxins gently. Add in a few minutes of deep breathing and meditation each morning. This will play a big role in reducing your stress and anxiety, which is a big cause of liver problem worldwide. So, take Kalmegh for 7 days and support it with 365 days of good habits. That is the kind of self-care your liver and your body needs. So remember that it is those little things but done consistently that creates a real shift, and that is what we are supposed to do for our health. So take charge of yourself, do things systematically, consistently, and you would naturally be healthy, energetic, and happy. So, namaskar.